In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks between sections in Asana. First, sign into Asana, head to the Asana login page and choose Continue with Google. When prompted, pick your Google email to complete sign-in. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you move on. That will prevent you from dragging tasks into the wrong project or section. Once you're in, look to the top left. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see your teams and projects. The sidebar is your quickest way to jump into the right project, so open it up and then click the project where you want to manage tasks. Inside your project, start in the list view. Moving a task between sections here is as simple as drag and drop. Click and hold the task you want to move, then drag it to the section you want. For example, drag a task from to do and to done to mark it complete in your workflow. You'll see this section highlight as you hover, release to drop it in place. If you change your mind, just drag the same task back to do. This keeps your sections tidy and your priorities clear. If you prefer the board view, the process is the same. Switch to the board, then click and hold the task card and move it to any column you like. This is great for visual workflows. You can quickly shift a card from doing into done or rearrange it among other columns with the same smooth drag and drop experience. You can also move a task using the detail pane. Click a task to open its details on the right. In the project area of that pane, you'll see the task's current section. Click it and select the new section you want. For a quick demonstration, set it to done, then switch it to doing, and finally set it back to done. Each change updates immediately, which is helpful if you're already editing the task and don't want to leave the pane. If you don't see the section selector, check that you have edit access to the project and that you're viewing the correct project instance for that task. That's it. You've signed in, opened your project, dragged tasks between sections in both list and board views, and adjusted a task section from the detail pane. Use whichever method fits your workflow in the moment and keep your team's work moving smoothly.